Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the Redstone Handbook Episode 1. A series of videos designed to teach you the fundamentals of Redstone so you can start to create your own designs and understand how other people's designs work as well. Firstly, what is Redstone? It is a system in Minecraft used to create circuits and mechanisms in order to create automatic machines that can accomplish tasks that range from simply turning on a lamp to automatic farms to opening large doors or even flying machines. In this video, we will be going over the basics of how Redstone works as well as looking into how some of the simple Redstone components work as well. So let's get into it. Redstone is designed to respond to player interactions with components such as switches or buttons, but can also be activated by other means such as mobs or item drops. These circuits can also be designed to run automatically on a clock that once built requires no player input to continue working. I like to think of Redstone as similar to real-life electrical circuits. But don't let any of this scare you away though. Redstone is immensely useful and a rewarding skill to learn for any Minecrafter. A component in Minecraft is a redstone device that has some purpose within a circuit. All components do something different and are useful for different things. So let's look into some of the basic components and how they work. Let's begin with redstone dust. Redstone dust can be obtained by mining redstone ore in your world with an iron or diamond pickaxe. When mined, redstone ore will drop 4 to 5 redstone dust, and even more if you have the fortune enchantment. Redstone is like the electrical wire of redstone and can transmit a signal to other components. It can lead around corners or up and down blocks. It has an unpowered state, which is the default, and a powered state where it will light up like this. Now, redstone dust is almost entirely useless on its own, so we need to move on to the next components, which are the stone button, wood button, and the lever. Or the lever, if you're that way inclined. These three components are the basic player inputs of redstone. The lever permanently powers the redstone until it is switched off. Both the buttons send pulses through the redstone when pushed. A stone button will power the redstone for 1 second, and the wood button for 1.5 seconds. This difference may seem pointless at this stage, but will come useful later on when creating complicated circuits. Another thing to note is that redstone has a strength. A lever, when on, gives out a maximum strength, which can go 15 blocks. So if we run all the way down here, you will see that the 15th piece of redstone is powered and the 16th is not. You may also notice that the redstone light gets less and less when we lose signal. As you can see, it's very bright up there and not so bright down here at the end. Other redstone components can give off smaller redstone signals, which can be useful in many redstone contraptions, but let's save that for a later episode. Don't worry though, there is an item to extend your signal further than 15 blocks. It is called a repeater. A repeater can repeat a signal weakened by the distance to a further 15 blocks. As you can see here, this will continue on for another 15 blocks. It also has a delay function that can be increased, but we will cover this in a later episode. It will also power blocks that it is running into. Alright guys, so we can power this redstone stuff, but can we actually make something useful with it now? Sure, this is a redstone lamp. Its default state is unpowered, so we can power it with either a button for a short pulse or a lever to permanently have it on. We can also use powered redstone dust if we run it into the side of a redstone lamp, just like electrical wire. So we can use a combination of our lever and redstone dust to turn on a lamp inside a dark room. As you can see, a redstone lamp will also be powered if you put redstone on top of it. Next up guys, redstone can be used to power blocks, so if we place a lever on this block and then power it, it will power the block and then the redstone behind it. This will also work with the button. We can take a redstone signal from any side of a powered block like this and even underneath it if we really want to. This little fella is the redstone torch. It is a torch that can be used to power redstone dust blocks and other redstone components. It can be placed on any side of a block except the underside. As you can see here, it will power the blocks or the components above it. It will not power blocks in front of it, however. As you can see, this block here is not powered, therefore not powering this redstone dust, but it is powering the dust to the side of it. These torches can, however, be turned off by running a redstone signal into the block that the redstone torch is placed on. As you can see here, it is powering this lamp, but if I power this block with either a lever directly or the redstone dust line, it will turn off. The last component of today is the redstone block. It powers things in all directions. In a later episode of the Redstone Handbook, we will look how it can be moved around to power different components or other circuits. The redstone block is always on and cannot be switched off. So guys, take your newly found redstone knowledge and take it into Minecraft world where you can test it out. Try powering a redstone lamp using a button or a lever directly, and then with the use of redstone dust. If you want to learn more, check out episode 2 of the Redstone Handbook, where we will be going over more awesome components that do much more exciting things than just light up lamps. We even get to blow things up. If you did, however, enjoy this video, please leave a like down below. It helps out the channel immensely. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.